Make it warm, make it comfy, make it country, or make it cozy. Either way, however you choose, just make it home. And by making it home, fill it with the things you love, the things that make you smile, and the things that just brings complete joy to your life just by having it. So whether it's just sitting down, having a wonderful breakfast, or welcoming your guest, either way, it's all the comforts of home that you want. My name is Jamila. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrifting Famous. I'm going to say this wholeheartedly, is that I am so glad I started thrifting years ago, because the thrift stores are just really getting insane. And I think I'm going to kind of shift my thrift and just do estate sales for a little while and see how that goes. I mean, at this particular thrift store, the prices were still considered fair and decent, which I thought, like this whole set of dishware was $25 with the pots or those pans. I thought that was very, very decent. But then when I ventured into the Greenville area, the ones that I used to score big at, their prices have really, really gone up, and taking the fun out of thrifting, actually. So I'm just kind of just sharing a few things that I did see, and I don't even want to talk about the prices of the big stuff, because that was what I consider to be okay. But it's, again, with this glassware, I just don't understand it. Like, these set of glasses were $80.50. So that price had me stumped. And then when I looked closer at it, I saw that it had a name on it, and it's by Stoezel or Stolzel, I'm not sure, but I had to research it and see what's going on. But come to find out, these are German-made glasses, lead-free crystal, and the euro is the price I could only find was like 63 euro. So in American money, that's only about 68 bucks. So why is a thrift store charging 80? And then this set here was tagged for $40, and it had no name on it. So I don't know what's going on. And at the same store, I saw this teapot, and it's a Mikasa teapot, and they wanted $120 just for the teapot. And then the cups and saucers set, they wanted $60 for that set. And granted, it is a beautiful set. However, you can get this on eBay, the teapot, for about $100. But if you go to replacements, of course, replacements wants to charge twice as much. But if you sold it to replacements, they only want to give you pennies on a dollar. And at the same store, this was a beautiful Noritake dinnerware set. They wanted $800 for the entire set. Insane. And then this set of mugs with the sugar dish, $40 for that too. And these book stands I really liked, but it was $6.50 each. And I'm just saying, why didn't you just tag them for like $12 for a set? But anyway, let's move on to my one room challenge. Better things for me. I finally got me a mood board, as they call it, and this is what I came up with. So anyway, when I did the painting, I realized the cabinet should not be white on that black floor. So this is the way I'm envisioning it to look. Let's just hope my vision comes to fruition, and we'll see. And I did order a new toilet, a black one. And I thought long and hard before I hit that order button, because I'm cheap like that. If it's not broke, why change it? But anyway, I'm going to consider this a treat to myself to get this room done. Anyway, because, we're all trying to do it, and that is make a beautiful home, because we want to be home and love it. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this. If so, just drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share. I'll see you again next week with another update on this challenge. Take care. Bye.